Hello world, I'm Azima Aminu Jamo from Kaduna State, Nigeria. This is my final project on Introduction to Programming with Python. The name of my project is the Architect Directory. As a student of architecture, I'm familiar with the hassle that architects go through searching for the most reliable construction material with the best deal, that actually inspires me to go for this project. My idea is to create a program that makes it easier for the user to get a tabulated information on a search product at a real-time value using Selenium. I generated this information from gg.ng. This is the demo of my program. First, you have to type in Python project.py, enter. Then type in your building material that you want to search. Let's use cement. Enter. It is now connected to the website. It's still loading the WebDriver, and there you can actually view them from the CSV file, which should be saved in your computer. This is the CSV file. It has the name of our search product. There you go. There. This is the product name, cost in naira, cost in dollar, product description, store, and link.